Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Socrates Munoz. In this video, we're gonna talk about ancient Chinese alchemy. But what is it? Most of us are familiar with parts of the history of alchemy. The stories of the philosopher's stones and how turning base metal into gold have now diffused into mainstream films and books. When it comes to Chinese alchemy, that is part of a larger philosophy or doctrine called Taoism. According to the Tangtong Qi, which is the earliest book on alchemy in China, the body is understood as the focus of cosmological processes summarized in the 5 agents, or also known as Whooshing. According to the Chinese alchemists, Whooshing, or the 5 elements, 5 faces, or 5 agents, it's a conceptual scheme which is used to explain a wide array of phenomena, from cosmic cycles to political regimes and even the properties of medicinal plants. Let's take a closer look at this scheme. There are 2 main kind of interactions: generating interactions, depicted as black arrows in this scheme, and overcoming interactions. Let's start with the generating interactions. Let's see, for example, wood feeds fire, and then fire creates the earth or ashes. Earth bears metals, as in minerals. We all know that minerals come from the earth. Metal carries water, as in a bucket of metal. And then water nourishes wood. Let's now take a look at the overcoming interactions. Starting with wood again, we see that water parts the earth, as in roots of a tree part the soil. Then earth absorbs the water. Water extinguishes fire, fire melts the metal, and metal chops the wood. Now, let's take a look at the pronunciation. The 5 faces are Mu, or wood, Huo, or fire, Tu, earth, Ting, metal, and Shui, or water. Contrary to the Western alchemy, ancient Chinese alchemy had the ultimate goal of longevity, of even immortality, rather than just creating gold from any other metal. Upon the creation of this synthetic gold, it was believed that the ingestion of this created or fake gold had a particular spiritual value, and thus, if ingested, you can attain immortality. On the other hand, gold wasn't the only substance alchemists dealt with. For example, Cinnabar is a mineral with a reddish-brown color, often found near deposits of mercury. Oh, and by the way, Cinnabar is nothing else than mercuric sulfide. If you know even a little bit about chemistry, then you know that mercury is a heavy metal extremely poisonous. This brings us to our almost last slide. The practice of alchemy was by no means 100% safe. Likely, the mercury content in the minerals ingested by the people will kill them. It is important to note that it is not that the alchemists were unaware of these risks. Rather, they deemed this risk unimportant when compared with the benefits of the afterlife. Let's review once more our vocabulary. Whooshing, or the 5 elements or agents. Mu, wood, Huo, fire, Tu, earth, Tin, metal or gold, and Shui, water. Also, we learned Tao, or Taoism, which is translated as way, path, route, or sometimes doctrine or principle. And last but not least, let's not forget Tangtong Qi, which is the earliest book in alchemy in China. Thank you very much, and see you next time.